Guys, welcome to my channel, Food for the Soul. Today, somebody sent me something and said, "Mom, you said you're going to teach us how to make a sweet potato pie." And I thought, what? Okay, and I did say that. So I'm going to run past the sweet potato pie really fast. They're very easy to make. So the video is how to make a sweet potato pie. Okay, this is 2 pies. So you need 4 potatoes, and that's the yam. You need 3 eggs, 1 can of small condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar, and some vanilla extract. So what you're going to do when you're doing your turkey or whatever dinner you're doing, you put those 4 potatoes into the oven and you let them bake like a regular potato, and you use aluminum foil because you want to retain all of that flavor. And then when they're finished, you peel them off, and then you put them in your container, and then you start putting your ingredients in it. You put 3 eggs, 1 can of small condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar, vanilla. I forgot the vanilla extract is 1 tablespoon. Forgot the butter. A little less than a stick of butter for 2 potatoes. And then you stir it up. You put your crust in there, the store-bought crust that you got. You put it in the oven, let it cook for like 5 minutes, and then you take them out because you want them kind of crunchy. And then you take all of that delicious stuff and put it in your pie crust. You see how that pie crust is kind of baked some. And then you put it back in the oven, and you want to cook it for, I'll say, about 35 to 40 minutes. Keep your eye on it. And basically, that's how you do it. That's some of Mama Jana's sweet potato pies. You guys have a blessed day, so you can use it for Christmas or the next Thanksgiving. Or just make your husband, be nice to him, and make him some sweet potato pies, and you're going to be forever. He's going to love on you. So anyway, guys, have a blessed day. Like, subscribe, and send me your comments.